Fremont, they've got actually a...
Yeah, before it's over private property.
Welcome back to J&K Stay in Vegas. It's Jeff again with you on another Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room? Today we're back at downtown Las Vegas to the Fremont Casino to show you where the closest coffee. There's a whole bunch of new things. There's some cool stuff at the Fremont Casino now. They've updated, put some new paint on, put some new carpet down, and check out Fremont Casino for 2023. All right, folks, let's check out the Fremont Casino. This is a Boyd property. Let's check it out. Fremont Casino for 2023. This is summer in Las Vegas. Let's go. So you see there some of the directional signage there, Tony Roma's, but we're gonna head to our right, as we always do. Filament, it says here, where drinking is always a bright idea. Nice bar here. We'll continue on the right-hand side. Lots of machines here. Continue on down here. Invaders from Planet Moolah. So this area here is the new sports book. This area is all brand new. Supported by FanDuel. They got a lot of TVs, as you would expect, for a sports book. And let's continue on. So this is the brand new food hall here at Fremont Casino. Look at this cool retro neon here. If you've seen some of our live streams, you might have already seen this before, but for those of you that haven't, this is going to be brand new for you. So they have a few restaurants in here. We're going to go take a look at all of them. So we'll keep on our right hand side. So this just goes right out to the walkable area right out here from Fremont Street. First up is Steak and Shake. Steak and Shake right behind me. They have a $4.99 combo for a hamburger, fries, and a soft drink. All for $4.99. Now granted, the hamburger is kind of like a McDonald's hamburger, but hey, some of those late night grabs, you know, looks like a lot of people are enjoying that too. So check out Steak and Shake here at the new food hall at the Fremont Hotel and Casino. So this food hall is new as of about 6 months ago. I'm going to show you kind of a layout of the land of where this food hall kind of is. So this is Ogden Avenue right over here, and the downtown Grand is just kitty corner, but they have this really cool outdoor space. This will be really good for the fall coming up, so you can sit outside when the temperatures aren't so bad. But we'll continue on. Tomo Noodles, they say please join us when we reopen at 5 p.m. Here's some of their offerings as well. A lot of noodles. Next up on our right-hand side, this is Roly Roti, rotisserie chicken. You even have pork loin sandwiches, prime rib sandwiches, lots of different stuff. There's the chickens cooking right there, and it looks like a nice roast back there. Next up is Huey Magoo's chicken tenders. So if you want something a little bit more casual, you can do this. We have tried it, just so you know. It's pretty expensive for what you get. This is handcrafted with love there. Only the top 3% of the chickens is good enough for you. The filet mignon of chicken, Huey Magoo's. And then next up is Craft Kitchen. So they're already closed. Their hours early in the morning. It says reopen at 7 a.m. They do a lot of breakfast stuff here. You can see some of the things on the menu there. They even have an all-day menu and some beverages here as well. This is a cool place to check out as well. I love all the new lighting and retro lighting and everything. Looks pretty cool. So I know we want to keep it always on the right-hand side. Just opposite of Craft Kitchen is Dunkin Donuts. So guys, right behind me is really your only place to get coffee is Dunkin Donuts in the new food hall. You can also, sometimes at the sports books bars, you can get coffee over there as well. So check that out. They might be able to give you coffee first thing in the morning, but otherwise it's just Dunkin right here. All right, let's keep going. Here at Fremont Hotel and Casino, they got all sorts of new carpeting here. It looks nice and fresh. And over here on the right-hand side is some restrooms for you. Restrooms are always good. And we'll continue on. Now, it should be obvious to you, but definitely don't use the ATMs on property. You'll get huge service fees. Go to your local bank. We've got all the local banks here in town, so definitely don't do that. Hey folks, if you're enjoying this video of Fremont Hotel and Casino, make sure to hit a thumbs up and subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas. Also, take it one step further and turn on all those bell notifications to be alerted to every time we post a new video just like this, or we go live, which we do every Saturday night. Let's keep going and continue this tour of Fremont Hotel and Casino for 2023. You can see some of the directional signage there. Head to our right-hand side, and there's already a line to get into Tony Roma's. They're open daily at 4:30 p.m. Tony Roma's is obviously a chain. You probably know what that is. And next up, 2nd Street Grill. They are permanently closed, so they say, please visit the Lanai Express and the food hall. We've already seen the food hall. We'll take a look at the Lanai Express. Let's keep going. Here is another bar over here, affectionately called The Bar. Here on the right-hand side is that Lanai Express. Get a nice sweeping view of the Lanai Express. So they even have a 2-item Chinese combo for $8.99 right there. Got a lot of stuff, so check out the Lanai Express. We're gonna head over to Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. As they say here, looking for ice cream or fudge or bark or berries, this is what they have. We can slice it, you can share it. Pretty yummy. So the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory is located here in this back corner, right by the Lanai Express. All right, let's continue on our right-hand side. There's more directional signage here. We'll check out the registration. It's just right over here. So right opposite of the hotel registration are your guest rooms, 2 through 10, and the banquet rooms. They're just right opposite of the hotel registration. They're doing some improvements and some new things coming. We'll keep you abreast of what's going on here. This is where your hotel registration is, right over here. There are some restrooms down here. You can see that they're doing lots of construction. And if you go out these doors, you can get your valet if you're valeting your car. Right on the side of Casino Center Drive. Let's continue our tour past the hotel registration. Here's your bell desk right here. Just a look at some of the machines that they have here at Fremont Casino. Blazing $1 slots here. Some old school slots right here. Blazing. So right out here is Casino Center Drive, and then the Four Queens is right over there, and we'll continue on. So this area is completely blocked off right over here. Here's your temporary signage here. And we just did a loop around here to see where that is, but we're going to continue on the right-hand side. They're doing a lot of construction over here, adding some cool things. I'm not going to blow the surprise for right now, but changes are coming here to the Fremont Casino. I like how they're updating everything. And again, nice new carpet. See some of the table games, some craps, and we'll keep going. Just for reference, that 2nd Street Grill is just right over there. And then over to our right-hand side is the Boyd Rewards. Make sure you get a card because the Boyd Rewards will continue on to a lot of different properties that Boyd owns. Here at Sam Boyd's Fremont Casino, they still have their special at Tony Roma's steak and lobster for $11.99. That's a good deal in expensive Las Vegas. They've added, of course, Steak and Shake, as you saw in the video. They got the FanDuel and Dunkin Donuts Fremont Hotel and Casino just right here on the Fremont Street Experience. Well, folks, that's going to do it for another Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room for the Fremont Hotel and Casino. Hope you found it informative. If you do, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas for all that's happening here in Las Vegas for 2023 and beyond. Take it one step further and turn on those bell notifications to be alerted to every time we post a new video just like this, or we go live, which we do every Saturday night. All right, folks, until the next one, as always, stay safe and stay silly. Bye-bye, everybody. They've got actually a...
Can't record stuff on private property.
There's so many videos on YouTube, my friend.
I know. Well, unfortunately, yeah, you cannot.